Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn about present perfect tense. Please prepare your textbook 5B, pencils, erasers, and notebook to jot down some notes. Please get these things prepared before you go on to the next step. Before we start the lesson, make sure you have already read the passage in Unit 1 and learned the vocabulary. If there are any words that you don't understand, use the dictionary to find the meaning of the words. If you are not ready, please go to ebook and start doing that before you continue on this video. How do we use present perfect tense? We use present perfect tense to relate past events to the present. Look at the arrow. It means the action that began in the past is extended to the present moment. How do we use present perfect tense? We use has or have plus past participle to form the present perfect tense. When do we use has? That's right. We use has for the subject he, she, or it. What about have? When do we use have? Well done! We use have for the subject I, we, you, or they. Now, let's look at some examples. Watch becomes has watched. See becomes has seen. Eat becomes have eaten. Play becomes have played. How do we ask or answer questions in present perfect tense? We can use ever to ask questions in the present perfect tense. When the answer is negative, we use never. Now, let's look at example 1. The box on the top tells us that we use have you to ask the question about the picture. You can use ever or never to ask and answer questions in the present perfect tense. When you see the course on the top right-hand corner, you have to answer no, together with has or have, never, and add the past participle. We use past participle to answer the present perfect tense questions. Okay, let's start with the question. Have you ever been to Tin Hau Temple? There's a course, so we answer, no, I have never been to Tin Hau Temple. Let's look at the second example. We can see the Wang Tai Sin Temple in the picture. Can you use present perfect tense to ask the question? Try it. Here's the question. Have you ever visited Wang Tai Sin Temple? Well done! You've got the right answer. When you see the tick on the top right-hand corner, you have to answer yes, together with has or have, and the past participle. This time, we do not need to add ever or never in the answer. Can you try to answer it? All right, let's check the answer. Yes, I have visited Wangtai Temple. Good job, you answered correctly. Children, now it's your turn. Take out your pencils and notebook to write down the answers. Are you ready? Let's start now. Question 1. We can see the beautiful golden beach in the picture. This time, we have to decide whether to use ever or never. Can you ask the question? Have you ever been to Golden Beach? Right. What about the answer? No, I have never been to Golden Beach. Have you got the right answer? Well done. Question 2. We can see the big Buddha in the picture. Now, what is the question? Have you ever seen the big Buddha? Right. What is the answer? No, I have never seen the big Buddha. Very good. Question 3. Can you see the delicious sushi? Let's try to ask the question. I'll give you some time to think about it. Here's the question. Have you ever eaten sushi? Now, let's answer the question. Yes, I have eaten sushi. Question 4. We can see a big elephant in the picture. Do you like it? Can you think of the question? Try it now. Here's the question. Have you ever ridden an elephant? What about the answer? Here's the answer. No, I have never ridden an elephant. Just remind you that the past participle of ride is ridden. Today we learned about how to use present perfect tense. Now here's the homework for you to do. The first thing that you need to do is to study the verb table booklet, page 126 on past participle. And the second homework is to do worksheet 3. Thank you for watching. See you next time.